So we're going to use some hot gun, thread, varnish, water, general brush, some glitter, colors, chopstick, an extra brush, a pencil, and glue.
So we will use phoenix feathers, some unicorn hair, and some dragon heartstring. As you see, we made this pencil wand and this wand.
Now for our pencil wand, we're going to create this nice pattern using hot glue. As you see, you can write with it as well. And we created also this one, a unicorn wand, and we used unicorn hair for that, obviously, because it's magic. So 2 techniques, hot glue and thread. Now let's start with the thread. You have to dip the thread into glue. And we can use a bit of brush just to help you to mix all the stuff properly. Here you go. And take your pencil and put the thread around the pencil. You can create different patterns. It doesn't matter which pattern you choose. Everything is fine because it's your personal magic wand. So here we go. This technique is like that. We used it around the pencil. And now I'm going to show you the second one. I'm going to use, well, you can use either old brush or a chopstick. And let's start with hot glue. You can create all sorts of patterns. I'm just simply going to twist the hot glue around my wand. Be careful because it's hot. And here you go. You just gently push the glue and it goes nicely around your stick. And here you go. I created this slightly fatter pattern on the top, as you see, because I will need this bit for my magic ingredient, which is going to be what, Mele?
It will be
a dragon
string.
Yes, heartstrings. So I needed to use that because it's a magic wand. So I will try to put it just around the top and use a bit of hot glue just here and put it around. Just twist it around like that and more glue. There we go. Alright, so now it needs to dry a little bit. Just more here. And it's almost done. As you see, it's dry. Now I'm going to decorate and put the base color. I'm going to use brown and black. Mel is using different colors for her wand.
I will use red.
Alright, so let's take our brushes and let's start. So I'm dipping in brown and creating just the base color. And you?
Red.
Alright. Have you got an idea what we're going to make?
Kind of.
It looks like you're creating a rainbow wand starting from...
Yeah, because I like unicorns and
Excellent.
Rainbows, I like unicorns.
Alright, so obviously you have to make sure that you color every little bit with your base color.
Okay. Yeah, because if you don't, then it won't look like a real one.
Exactly. Okay, so I'm just using this simple brown acrylic paint, and Mele is using acrylic paint too.
Yeah, and I'm using yellow now.
Oh, just nice blend. You're creating kind of orange as well, because red and yellow creates a slight orange, yes?
Yeah.
Very nice. I'm painting my top a bit.
And if you don't know, red and blue makes purple.
Excellent. You know all the colors, don't you? Oh, you're using nice pink.
Yeah.
All right, so as you see, you can create your personalized wand and you can use different colors. Ah, very nice. That's your blue, final blue
wand.
Here we go.
One
now
pencil.
Let's dry it.
Yes.
Are you going to put these stars?
Yes, so we use red ones.
And some glitter?
Yeah. And some unicorn.
And glue.
Yeah, glue.
And I'm going to create some patterns using grey and white colors. But first of all, a bit of black as well for the detail. Here we go. So just go around your wand and check what you want to what detail you want to underline a little bit more. So use black for that. And then on the top of black you can put a bit of grey, silver grey if you've got. And you, Mela, what are you doing now?
Now I'm gluing on some stars.
Excellent. You can glue stars, you can use glitters as well.
Yeah, I'm using glitter and stars.
A nice combination. Excellent. Now I'm giving a bit of a detail to my dragon hair. Dragon heartstrings, sorry. Here we go. And the final touch.
Because dragons don't have hair.
Exactly, you're right. Here we go, the last bit. Are you putting your glitter now?
Yes, I'm putting blue glitter.
Alright. Nice idea. Are you going to use any other glitter?
Yes, I'm using then white glitter.
So a combination of blue and white.
Yes, because it will be like a sky and some clouds.
Excellent. Now we're almost done with our coloring and decoration. The last bit what we will need to do is to put this varnish just to give the shiny look. So yes. I'm going to put a bit of varnish in the bowl and use our brushes, and our wands are almost done. Remember, we need to make them dry before we use them, yes?
Yes.
So here we are putting a bit of varnish and it's almost done. Mail, it's almost done.
Yes.
Don't you think they look nice?
Yeah.
Well, you will need to try them out.
Yes.
And see if all the spells actually working.
So in the end, you will see.
You trying them out.
Yes. You will see what spell I will do.
Excellent. We're almost done. Our wands are finished.
IKEA kitten. Aww. IKEA unicorn. Bye. Bye. No.